Ewa loaded of VDM, I don't understand. See, a lot have been said back and forth, back and forth. A lot of, in fact, in this country, we have never seen anybody that they arrest and the uproar is this much. This is crazy. This shows the kind of, see, VDM, he has done some good, no doubt, no doubt. But there are times, even me, I'll be like, but that is life. Nobody is perfect. Even me that I'm talking, I'm not perfect. Everybody get their own fuck up story. Yeah. But basically, as a day like this, the whole world is behind VDM.
Hello, EFCC. This is a serious warning, and I hope you guys listen very well. You cannot arrest Very Dark Man, a freedom fighter, like a Tory's leader. You guys should free Very Dark Man within the next 48 hours.
All right. Good evening, dear Nigerians. I want to be very brief. All right. Now, over time, we have been doing a particular type of protest which has not been favorable to us. I remember over time, before 2020, before the NSAS protest, youth has been coming out, and in the end, we end up buying ourselves. When I mean buying ourselves, is because the way we address, the plan and the package we do when we go out for this protest. First off, when they cook, they come protest. Maybe no try bring food, come protest. We know they do that one. We know one come cash on. We know one come meet anybody. We know they do matchmaking. All right, now protest they call them. Maybe no try say one cook food come. If your intention is to pay for DJ, keep the DJ in your house. Don't bring any DJ. We are not about that movement. Don't come and cause chaos because you bringing DJs, food. Nobody they can't feed anybody. We are there just to make a statement and we go. Second of all, please, the way you are going to dress tomorrow, make sure you dress properly. Because if you look at me, you can see I'm wearing a suit. So I'm here to show you an example. If you are going to wear a suit tomorrow, it's allowed. Wear a suit. If you want to wear jalabia, native, with cap and briefcase, carry on. You guys are all businessmen. We are not coming to protest. That's the idea they are keeping in their mind. Because believe me and you, tomorrow police go down the outside, they're ready for everybody. You understand? But when you go to banking premises and conduct banking business because you're a banker there, a customer there, you have rights. All right? Now, mind you, police might come and arrest anybody tomorrow, but please do me a favor. Once you've been approached, do not run. Don't cause chaos, because by the time one person run, it will affect the next person. Fear will enter the person's body, and we are not about that. Secondly, if you know your plan is to come and vandalize or spoil anything, please stay in your house. We don't want to do that. VDM is not about that game. All right? Now, if you bring anybody, make sure that person they hear you. Person say they hear you well. If you talk to them, make sure say they listen to them, and make sure say everybody come out in mass, properly dressed. Please, GT bank users will go into the bank and do their transaction peacefully. Those without the GT bank whatever account will stay outside. And mind you, please, I'm begging you, dress properly. Let us do this thing efficiently that it won't affect anybody. Believe me, we are together in this. This is the first time that Nigeria is going to come out as one after other times. This is the first time in this generation. Let us use this opportunity and let us not misuse it. If your plan is to come and disrupt it, because I know say some men, they don't send some men, they come misbehave. Anybody will fuck up, catch them, tie them down, no beat them. One finish, one down, over to police. Thank you. God bless you.
This is the first son of Nigeria, ST, Egbon Seyi Tinubu. I'm doing this video to bring to your notice the sad incident that happened on Friday, where Very Dark Man was adopted by heavily armed men. He was kidnapped by heavily armed men and they took him to the EFCC. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, up till now, we have not heard anything from EFCC. Egbon Seyi Tinubu, me and you know, me, you, and the rest youths in Nigeria are aware that Very Dark Man don't get any economic and financial issues for him to be in the EFCC. I can put my life on the line. VDM doesn't do fraud or has never done fraud to anybody in this country. Sir, with that said, I still await the EFCC to bring the charge they have against him. But nobody is calling you for fight or calling you to blame. Sir, we the youth of Nigeria are looking at it that our say and democracy is not guaranteed. That anybody can be picked at any given time for saying the truth. Egbon Seyi Tinubu, I believe you are not like that. I believe you are the only hope the youth is having right now in this painful time that can stand for us. Sir, this is the best time for you to show us as youth that you stand for us. Egbon Sheyi Tinubu, pick up your phone and call the EFCC chairman. Inquire. Tell them to talk to us. Egbon release VDM for us because he has done nothing. All he do is speak the truth and give the Nigerian youth hope. He's the one that speak on believing in the country and we have a better future. ST, whatever anger it is coming from anywhere, I don't want to blame anybody. I'm calling on you. This is the first chance you have. Rattles and everywhere many Nigerian youths this Sunday night, please tag Sheyi Tinubu in the comment section and let's call his attention to this particular issue. Show us you care about us and our complaints. I am calling up on you peacefully. As a well-meaning Nigerian who wants the peace of the country and the peaceful coexistence within the APC government and the Nigerian youths. We look forward to your speedy response. Thank you. God bless you. My name is Kokupi. Allah. As it stands now, the whole country is calling EFCC. All your top politicians and leaders are calling EFCC now. They don't ask EFCC what they see for video and phone. Many of them, they fear. Please, oh, help me check that phone to know if VDM has anything against me, please. You know elections are coming up. Most of you are saying Mr. Chinwo, Bobrisky, Godfather, APC, Senate President. As a real rattle and a supporter and follower of VDM, you should know. I'm not going to tell you, you should know. VDM stands up against everybody. VDM is for all. One of the reasons why VDM is in this condition is because VDM is the only one that gives them condition for this country. No, you are wrong, you are right. So everybody they call now, that phone will open, so people they fear me that secret not go open. Even EFCC, they will find what VDM know about EFCC. I mean, wait, now all these things. Yeah, I know now. Now we they go to the EFCC office, now we they go, we know. Matter now we now tomorrow and Monday, we know, all die and die. The whole country, all your politicians. So most of you are saying that you are just as it stands now. VDM go on for broadcast and VDM is refusing to say it. You know need to let anybody talk. He quiet. You know why? The problem the boy is facing now, all of us need to stand by him. Just know say everybody they call you, even your godfather. They call because VDM get God the father. Tomorrow is Monday, it's called Kupi.
Hello Nigerians. About the VDM Mara, man. Some people have been entering my DM when I'm doing live comments. Tell government to release the VDM, man. I cannot tell government anything for now. Till government to release why they arrest him. Nobody above arresting. Tinubu have been arresting before. Obasanjo have been arrested before. Anybody can be arrested. Oba Solomon have been arresting before. But this is what I want to tell you people that is shouting on internet. I will remove myself from GT Bank and so on and so forth according to the parameter. You go to school, you don't think deeply here. I want you to know that everybody is under government. If government want to arrest anybody, government can locate anybody to stop that person so that they can have chance to arrest the person. They need to obey the order. They need to obey the authority. Whether it's GTB Bank that caused it, whether it's not, that one is failure. That one is zero. Nothing concerns GTB about this matter. Who we have problem with is the people that arrest VDM. So for now, you want to do this, you want to do that, go and have rest of mind first. Till Monday, that they will release what really happened, the reason why they arrest him, before we know the next step, before we know what to see. Think before you talk, don't talk before you think. And AFCC, when it is Monday, if you wait till Monday and you not release something tangible that you used to arrest VDM, swear we kill you for my mouth. If you don't release something tangible, the reason why the something tangible make you arrest VDM, swear we kill your generation for my mouth. And likewise, all the people where they shout on internet, whether you be rattle, whether you be nobody, whether you be what you call yourself. If it is on Monday, if AFCC release something that does not have any meaning, by Tuesday, if you are among of those people that shouting on internet, if you don't go to Abuja to go and protest on Tuesday, God will punish your generation. No use sure to put anybody for trouble. At the end of the day, you will shout on internet. At the end of the day, you will enter your house to go and be knocking your wife and be go and be shopping. And you will use your mouth to put another person's children inside fire. You need to take time. Okay? AFCC. Whether policemen, we don't know who arrest him first. We are waiting the reason why you arrest VDM till that time before I go talk. For now, I cannot talk anything. But if you don't release something important, sure we kill you. Let me talk. This is King Solomon for Universe, according to the encyclopedia. Hold it.
All the celebrities saying that they should free Very Dark Mind, they are part of the problem of this country. As a reasonable person, you don't even have to be a celebrity to have sense. You are supposed to ask one question: what did he do? Not be say you go say free him. What did he do? What if he's a two-faced person? What if the money where they in possession, it is used to fund terrorism? What if? You just they talk. Are you not seeing that even his brother has not opened his mouth to say VDM did not do anything? The only thing where they say, oh yeah, let us protest, let us say, he has not opened his mouth to say my brother is innocent. You are coming out because of public validation, so that people will come your page and say, now today I respect you. People where all these celebrities they talk, they know they don't have visibility. That's why they are using this thing. They don't want to use an area so that people go talk. As a responsible person, are you not supposed to ask, what did he do? There are people till tomorrow that are saying free Nnamdi Kanu. There are people till tomorrow that are saying free Abakari. There are people till tomorrow that are saying free Evans. The question is, what did he do? Is it a capital offense? So if you are saying they should free Very Dark Mind, that means they should free Terry Akpala. That means they should free Nnamdi Kanu. That means they should free Evans. That means they should free Abakari. That means the officer that is serving this country, that Shenkuti slapped, harassed, humiliated, that means he deserves a national award. For a lawyer to come out and manipulate the situation, it shows that there's something more. How can a lawyer be lying to us, saying that the bank held him for 10 minutes until the authorities now came to arrest him, blah blah blah, lying to us? Did he commit a crime? Yes. What crime did he commit? We don't know. You say me you free him. Go free him now. Go free him. What if you come here tomorrow now say this boy they fund terrorism, or the money that is in his possession is fraudulent? Will you still open? How will you feel? You just open your mouth, say free. They carry poster they put for this thing. Stop fooling yourself. It can never work. He is not above the law. Everywhere good, my people. Everywhere good. The only thing we feel help for this life now, now presidential pardon. The same people that he has insulted, that they have cobwebs in their brain. Everywhere good, my people. Do you want here? Shalom.
I'm not saying your prayer they work because your son is still alive.
Which guys?
God bless you. Bye. Good night.
You don't know the work where they do. Enemies plenty. Oh.
No, no,
You
no,
know,
no.
that
God,
God.
God pass them. God pass them. God pass them. God pass
Oh
them.
yeah, now, mom.
Take care. Bye.
In case of very dark man, what have you learned? You know me, as usual now, I think I'm smarter than everybody. And as usual, I'm going to do what smart people do. I'm going to analyze or make some analysis. This is something that people are failing to spot. You know, I think I'm out of this world. I think I should start owning it now. I know since I talk, I'm they vex you. Yes, cry. Alright, number one, your family members are the people that are going to ruin you. Your family members, if they can't get to you, they will get to you through your family members. Because normally, if a random person reach out to very dark man, tell very dark man, say, GTB don't collect my money since last year. Very dark man will go GTB, sure you know. Now, I'm not saying they did it purposely. Sometimes your family members are going to get you in trouble unknowingly. Because they are family, you can't be like strong-hearted. You must have a soft spot for somebody at one point in time. If not random person, very dark man for no go GTB. If for make video, drag GTB online and GTB for rectify him. So now the first time where this kind of thing they happen, where you GTB, he go sort them out sharp, without even having to go there. But he wanted to show him mama respect. Now he can't go there and see what happen. Number two, jam talk. When I made a video about VDM jam talking of recent, when I just say they lie, when I just say I don't know what they talk. See, what you must understand is that forget about anything you want to think, you know, Kukuma get sense. The thing is that for EFCC to come carry VDM for broad daylight, it means that they don't cook enough evidence, keep. And the evidence with they nab with, I just hope he comes out of this earlier. VDM has enough plenty quantity jam talking. VDM, I told you people that VDM is not somebody you can work with. VDM has an insider. If you know how many illegals in VDM they do, it's because Nigeria is a lawless country. If they want to play Nigeria by the rule of law, VDM not supposed to they bad. It's the jam talk. You have an insider in EFCC that is telling you the news, the crime, the things that are happening. Even some information where they don't want to make it happen. You can't come and say, I have an insider. The person is working in. I know EFCC will be wondering how I know. Come on, allow these people to do. There's no kind of allegation that they cannot put on his head. VDM they collect person back statement for the person back. That it's illegal to obtain people's bank statement, but he's doing it, and then he will do it and still come out and tell people that I did it. Come on, you know the jam talk too much, and then again you call the cast location. Casting of location in the VDM. See VDM, he's intoxicated already. You call it hate, call it whatever it is you want to call it, but he is intoxicated. He has like. He's too. They're not supposed to see him for that person. They go this thing. He wanted to intimidate them with his presence or what? When they see him so that they go shade, they can't run, help and do him. That was not that's not our VDM there. You won't use in this thing. But then again, peace. And before I go, don't forget it can happen to anybody. If it be you tomorrow, Nigeria is a lawless country. Allegedly, let me talk. So we got to be careful. And this is not even about the government. Now, so Nigeria just be. Anybody will guide past, you can do the same thing, do anything. Be reach VDM turn now. See what they talk. You reach VDM turn now, and they talk say no, he's not doing it like that.
Good morning, dear Nigerians. First off, most of you think education is a big problem in Nigeria or everywhere in the world, but you should understand that education is knowledge and knowledge is power. You understand? So now, in the country where you want to arrest an individual and you don't bring up a warrant and go to his house and pick him up the right way the officers in Nigeria should do, then it's called kidnapping. And when it's called kidnapping, there are things we actually look out for, because after every 24 hours, they are going to demand to speak to the family member or anybody that they know can actually raise help or bring out money for them. But in this case, we didn't get any information. And we also know that if the police or any uniformed men in Nigeria should pick you up, within 24 hours, they are still going to reach out to your family. But in this situation, we are yet to hear from both parties. So right now, I would like to show you what happened to my brother yesterday. Thank you. So yesterday, after they came out from the bank, the police or the EFCC or the kidnappers that kidnapped him, they double-crossed their cars that they were going out with after they left the bank. After locking them in that door for 5 to 10 minutes, they barricaded them. And immediately they barricaded them, this is what happened. Come here. You come in. Now, mind you, after they did this, they took them straight to wherever they took them to, and they covered their face. And since then, we didn't hear anything from the kidnappers, if actually the kidnappers took them, or we didn't hear anything from the EFCC, because we are meant to understand that they were actually taken to EFCC office. So Are we dealing with kidnappers here or the EFCC? Because you guys are here to get to me or my family to tell us, okay, your brother is here, come and see him. You have not done the right thing to see. I just pray this country doesn't happen to anybody, because this is all we are on right now. Please, dear Nigerians, thank you.
So I think the government needs to do something. EFCC needs to do something. They even need to come out and tell us what really happened, because so far so good. We have not really seen any press release or anything. We just know that it is in their custody. That's all we know. We don't know the charges. We don't know, but whatever it is, see, this is just a clarion call, for justice to be served. And whatever involvement GTB has in this matter, I just hope this thing can get sorted out. You get, but basically, this video is about freeing VDM. But I know that subsequently, the next 24 hours, we will get to know the reasons why he was arrested. So as a day like this, guys, I need láti mọ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe, because ìlú tá wà yìí, a lot is really going on. Now, so it be. See, ẹni tó bá dá ló máa ń léyàn lẹ́yìn. As it is now, we just hope that the very dark man, the VDM, will be freed, in a matter of days. So guys, I'll see you on the other side. Jeff Olewa is my name. Hal.